We discussed new object as clones in a previous video, but you can also combine this option with repeat last transformation. That is the topic of this video. You will find new objects as clones in the Edit menu. Make sure it has a check mark in front of it to activate it. This is a very useful option when making designs with repeated shapes. Any created duplicate of an object is marked as a clone, and when you reshape a clone, all other clones are reshaped as well. I have created an oval with a running stitch around it and no fill. I've also activated guidelines in the View menu and added a diagonal guideline that goes through the center of the hoop at 60 degrees. And if you review the guideline video, you'll learn how to place diagonal guidelines and then input a special angle for those guidelines. This is so when I make the duplicate will be placed exactly where I need it to be placed. Select the oval and move the center of rotation to the base of the oval. And you'll want to zoom in to make sure it's right at the 0, 0 guideline. I'm going to zoom out and activate my rotation control. Left click and drag until the oval aligns with the guideline, and right click before you release your mouse. Press Ctrl R to make repeats. This is a shortcut for repeat last transformation. Once your design is created, you can select any one of the clones, activate Edit Shape Nodes, and there are two control points in this oval. One will move the oval, and the other one will change the shape of the oval. When I make this transformation to one oval, all the ovals in the design are updated. This does not work if I want to change the stitch of the design. It will only change one oval at a time. I can select all of the ovals and then click on a new stitch if I want to apply a new stitch. After creating the cloned objects, you can always right-click on the objects, select Clones, and select All Clones, or you can detach any of the clones from the cloned object.